you doing? You're going to see a lot of this happening. Leasing available, leasing opportunity available. This is going to be very regular and very, see what the scene says, all closed down. Pretty much everything's shut down. Guys, this is the future. Unfortunately, of retail, you're going to start seeing a lot of shops close down, a lot of retail shops, a lot of shops where they just can't cut it because the overhead is literally killing their business with wages, with staff, with rent. And this is why people are going online. This is why people are heading online, because the convenience factor as well, but it's just the overheads are killing people, you know. And you're going to have a lot of empty shop fronts and shop spaces. I mean, you look in here, it's like a graveyard essentially, right? And yeah, just be aware of this, guys. And this is why it's good to start now. Start something now. If you're thinking about jumping on Amazon, then guys, if you want to start selling something, jump on now. There's the good products don't wait for anybody, but you need to sort of beat the rush, right? You got to, because these people, unfortunately, and it's a very sad story, but you know, you have to adapt. You have to sort of start doing something. So yeah, be great. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon.